Hello learners, and welcome back to our lesson today. We're going to do a question on the balance sheet, and the question reads: the following balances were extracted from the books of Kanini Traders as at 31st December 2012. Prepare Kanini Traders balance sheet as at that time. So you're given the items and their figures. So when you get this kind of a question, one thing you have to remember the format, whereby the format of a balance sheet is a capital T, and remember always start with the heading, whereby we have capital and liabilities on one side and the assets on the other side, as shown below. So the name of our business is Kanini Traders. Kanini Traders balance sheet as at, we are given up there as at 31st December 2012. Then, after writing a correct heading, we draw our capital T, whereby on one side we are going to record assets, and on the other side we are going to record capital and liabilities. So we start off with the fixed assets. So from our question, you can see that we have two fixed assets, that is land and furniture. So fixed assets, we have land, which amounts to 120,000, which amounts to 120,000. Then we have furniture, which amounts to 75,000. And the total fixed assets will be 120 plus 75,000. 120 plus 75,000 to give us 195,000. 195,000. So this is the figure for the total fixed assets. Next is the current assets. Current assets. So under current assets, we have stock. Which is 80,000. Then followed by debtors. Which is 35,000. And then we have cash in hand. Which is 15,000. So far so good. The total current assets will be 80,000 plus 35,000 plus 15,000, and that gives us a total of 130,000. 130,000. Now on the other side, we are going to record capital capital, which is the net worth. We are given there as the net worth, which is 130,000. 130,000. Next, we go to liabilities, and we have two classes, the long-term liability and the short-term liability. Under long-term liabilities, we have the long-term loan. Long-term loan, yeah, long-term loan, which is 65,000. 65,000. And that's all for the long-term liabilities. So next we are going to record the short-term. Short-term liabilities. Short-term liabilities. Now, under short-term liabilities, clearly, looking at the question, the short-term liabilities, clearly looking at the question, we have creditors and bank overdraft. Creditors and bank overdraft. So we record creditors, and the figure for the creditors is 50,000. 50,000. Then a bank overdraft. Bank overdraft, which is 80,000. Yeah, we are done. So the last step is to balance both sides, to take the totals for this side and total for capital and liability. So total asset is 195,000 plus 130,000, giving us a total of 325,000. 325,000. And you come to this side where you've recorded capital and liabilities. So you have 130,000 plus 65,000 plus 50,000 plus 80,000. Clearly, that is also 325,000. 325,000. And remember to double underscore. That shows you've closed your account. And that is the solution for our question. That is a solution for our question above. That's the solution for our question. The balance sheet for Kanini Traders would appear as below. Bye bye. See you in our next lesson.